Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can get marketplace on your Facebook in iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, simply open the application and make sure that you are logged into your account, and then from here you can tap on the menu bar on the top left corner right here. So after doing that, here tap on settings and privacy. So after doing that, here tap on settings. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of tab bar. All you have to do is tap on tab bar, then tap on customize the bar. So in here you can see marketplace is right here. In order to get it pinned, all you have to do is tap on this auto button right here and then tap on pin. After doing that, here you can see you have gotten your marketplace pinned right here. You can go back, simply get to the home page of your Facebook. Here you can see marketplace, tap on it, and just like this you'll be able to get marketplace on your Facebook in iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.